Hello and welcome to this recording of Mastering Excel Data Bridge. Today we're going to take a look at adding new stock records in bulk to Sage 200 Professional. My name's Zoe Young. I'm one of the account managers here at Draycir. Okay, so if you're watching this recording, you probably already know what Excel Data Bridge is. You're probably not aware of quite how many functions we have in total. Today we're going to focus on Stock Master. So Stockmaster is used for a range of different things. The three key areas are amending existing stock records, deleting stock records in bulk, and also, this is what we're going to look at today, the ability to create new stock records. So let's dive into the software and have a look at it in action. Okay, so let's open up Sage first of all, and let's see what product group it is that I want to add some more stock to. So I've got a product group called hampers. You can see I've only got this year's hamper in there, but my supplier has just announced next year's hampers, and they're the ones that I want to add into Sage as quick as I can, really. So if I just create a stock filter, and I can use this stock filter on anything. I could have just put one product code in. I've chosen to actually do it on the actual hamper product code. It's downloaded it in for me. And all I'm doing here is just simply copying one of the lines because my hamper supplier, nominals, everything remains the same. All it is just I've moved on a year, so I've just got this new group. So all I'm going to do is copy that one line and then repeat it, splitting each individual item with a number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm now just going to copy and paste what my supplier's already provided me, which is the SKU and also the stock product name as well. And as you can see, it's copied all the information from that first line that I copied. I could have done this from scratch and gone across and done it all, but I've chose the easy way just by copying and pasting it. So as soon as I process this, as you can see, the status has now changed to processed, which means those stock records are already in Sage. So let's refresh the list. There we go. So next year's hampers for 2026 are already in there. If I just click into one of these, because some of you may also at the same time need to change the pricing. So the selling pricing is also a consideration, especially when you've got price bands. So now what I'm going to show you is how to very easily add different price bands to those same products. So again, I've kept my stock filter being hampers, and now that's brought through all of those different new hampers that I've put in. See, the first one's already done, but everything else needs all the prices applying. So I've already worked those out just here, as you can see. So all I'm going to do is copy and paste that into this Excel data bridge sheet. And all I then need to do is simply press process. When it's happy that it's done its job, we can see the status has now changed to processed. And if we hop into Sage and have a look, if we just refresh that, we can already see that those changes have been made. There we go. So let's just click into my Easter hamper there. Let's have a look at the selling price and see if it's done it. Hey presto, there we go, all been done. How easy was that to make some changes and adding in some new prices and new stock products at the same time. Thanks for watching. Please speak to your Sage business partner for more information, whether that's for pricing or you want to book a demonstration. Of course, you can come to Draycir as well. But thank you for watching. My name's Zoe Young.